Alright, so here we are at rainchains.com, and I wanted to show you how to assemble one of our cup styles. A lot of them go together the same way. We get asked a lot how they get put together. This is our 3124 copper bells, and you'll see that the wire on the bottom is fixed, and the top comes with the wire separately, and here's the hole for it. So what you do is, you take one of the wires that you have, and it has these little nuts on the outside. These come off. They're on a threaded end, and you basically put this together like this and screw these on. Let's see if I can do this so you can see that. Like that. And do the other side. Okay, so we have one that's complete. The next one, you'll just take that and we put it through so they go together like this, and then we continue on and we do this one. Put this together. You want to get these nuts pretty nice and tight. If you live in the East Coast or someplace real cold, you might want to use a little Loctite on there so they don't come apart. And you put that together. And now we have two that are complete, and you just keep going until you have the length that you need. Thanks a lot.